Hello everyone and welcome back to AMNOW. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your cursor not working. Now as you can see, this is my cursor and it's moving smoothly, and for your case your cursor will not be moving. In two ways I'm going to show you how to fix this issue using your keyboard. Now first and foremost, on your keyboard press Windows key plus X. Once Windows key plus X opens, and as you can see that which is on my left side, now use your arrow keys and then move down to device manager. Right, once device manager opens, as it opens here, now on your keyboard at the top left side of your keyboard press tab key. Now once tab key, just one tap and it pops up on the options. Now use your arrow keys once again, down and up keys, move down to mice and other pointing devices. Use your right arrow key to expand the mice and pointing devices. Now in my case I have two here, but in your case it could be one or two. Now right, so once it happens this way, on the keyboard once again press on enter. Once you press on enter, as you can see the options opened. Now once again use your tab key, as we are going to use our tab key, so just keep pressing on your tab key. Right, as you can see the tab key, whilst I'm pressing it, it's moving. So you move to the general. As you can see, it's now on general, so use your right key and go to driver. Right, we are on driver. Now first option for us to do is to update the driver, if possible, if the driver is the one which is misbehaving. So now let's come down to use your tab key once again to change it, and you use your tab key once again, and we are on update driver. So press on enter on your keyboard. As it pops up once again, just press on enter, as it already selected on search automatically for drivers. Right, so once you just select this, press on enter once again, it is going to search through the internet to download and update the current drivers for your touchpad or mouse. Right, as you can see, for my case it says the best driver for your device is already installed. Now if you have done this and still your cursor is still not moving, now close this. Just use your tab key and move down to the close, and then once it's there just press on enter. As we have updated the driver, you have to restart the PC. But if you have restarted your PC and still it is not working, now move back to here once again. On your keyboard press on the tab key once again. So press on your tab key once again to move to uninstall device. Now on your tab key, once the option is on our tab key, press enter. Right, and then we have uninstall here. Press enter once again. Right, so as you can see it has finished uninstalling. Once it finished uninstalling, you need to restart your PC. So at times it just pop up this that we should restart the PC. But in your case, if it does not pop up this way, you just restart using the normal keyboard. So in my case it has come for me to restart, so just move your right and left key arrow keys and then move to yes. Now press enter. Right, as my PC is restarting, and once we wait for it, once it restarts and comes back, possibly your cursor it's going to be working perfectly normal. Right, as my PC has restarted, so once it restarts, just move your cursor once again and it should be working, and it should be functioning and working normal. So guys, that is just how easy and simple it is to fix your cursor not working in Windows 10. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.